Hi guys, this is Nishita and welcome back to my channel. From the title of the video, you already know that today we are going to be talking about skincare but for men. So if you are a man and if you're watching this, then kudos to you for prioritizing your skincare. Now I know that a lot of my viewers are women, but I wanted to make a dedicated video for skincare for men because I want to make one point clear that skincare is for everyone. Men have skin too. So in today's video, I'm going to help you form a skincare routine and also give you product recommendations so that you can start right away. If you are a woman, if you're watching this for your brother, friend, husband, father, then wishing you guys all the best in introducing the man in your life to skincare. Point number one is to understand that you do not need a lot of products to have a good skincare routine. Now, I'm going to be dividing this video into 4 different parts and you would need 4 products only. The first one is you would need a good face wash or a face cleanser. Then you would need a serum or a face treatment. The third one is a moisturizer and the fourth one is a sunscreen lotion. Now the application order is also same. First you wash your face, then you apply a serum, then you apply your moisturizer and then you seal it off with a sunscreen in the day. But for the night, you wash your face, you apply the serum and you seal it off with a moisturizer. Let's move to the first product, which is a face wash or a face cleanser. Now, I'm sure you all know what it is used for. It is obviously used to clean your face and get rid of all the dirt, grease, sweat, etc. And no, you should not be using your body soap for your face. That is a big no-no. It is really important to get your face washed right, otherwise the next set of products will not work because the step number 1 is only wrong. Now I'm going to leave links to all the products that I speak about in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Now let me start off with my recommendations. The first one is Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser and this is for people with dry skin. Now this face wash does not strip off all the moisture from your face, which is great. And if you're somebody who has oily skin, then you can definitely check out the Cetaphil Oily Skin Cleanser or the Cetaphil Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. I know there's already a question in your mind, what if I don't know my skin type? It's really easy to find out. You just have to wash your face and do not apply anything on your face for about 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Then if you feel like this part of your face, like the T-zone, your forehead and your nose is very oily, then you have combination skin. If you feel all your face, like your cheek, your T-zone, your chin, everything gets oily, then you have oily skin. But if you feel that your skin has become very tight and you can see dry patches all over, then obviously you have dry skin. If you're somebody who gets acne very easily, then the first thing that I would suggest you to do is go visit a dermatologist so that they can help you find the root of the issue and then they can put you on a medication or give you medicated face products. But there's one great face wash for people with acne. It's called Salicylic Face Wash. Now that gently exfoliates your face and helps you get rid of acne and marks left behind. You can also find this face wash in medical stores or you can also get it online. And like I mentioned before, I'm going to leave all the links in the description box below. Let's move to the second product, serums or face treatments. Now there are many serums available in the market and each of them target one specific skin concern. Now that is exactly what serums are used for. They target one specific skin concern and they help you better the appearance of your skin. Because I do not exactly understand the skin concern you have, let me go with the most basic ones. The first skin concern that most men face is acne spots, acne marks, enlarged pores or uneven skin tone. Now to combat this, you can use the niacinamide serum. The 10% niacinamide plus 1% zinc from The Ordinary is my most favorite one and it is really effective for every skin type. But since it is not easy to get it here in India, I would suggest you to try the Minimalist Niacinamide Serum because that has a similar concentration as that of The Ordinary. The next serum that I would suggest you to have in your skincare routine is an exfoliating serum. Before I give you product recommendations, let me first tell you what is exfoliation. Exfoliation is a process in which you tend to get rid of the dead skin layer, which no longer serves any purpose. Now, exfoliating serums are supposed to be used mostly on a fortnight or a monthly basis. My most favorite exfoliating serum is again from The Ordinary. It's the AHA BHA solution. But since you do not get it here in India, I would suggest you to try try out the Minimalist Exfoliating Serum because that almost has the same concentration. There are a lot of do's and don'ts when you are using an exfoliating serum. Make sure you're aware of all of them before you apply that on your face. The third product that we are going to be talking about is a moisturizer, and a moisturizer is really important to maintain the health of your skin barrier. Now it is literally like water and food for your skin, so make sure you use a moisturizer every single day. Now I have two suggestions for you. The first one is the Pond's Light Gel. It's got like a very light texture and it's non-greasy. It's very hydrating as well. Also, it's very easy on the pocket. And the second one that I have for you here is the Nutriderm Moisturizing Lotion, which also has vitamin E. Now, I would absolutely suggest this for people with oily skin because the texture of this is very light on your skin and does not make your skin look very oily or greasy. And mind you, that is not what a moisturizer is actually supposed to do. Having said that, Nutriderm Moisturizing Lotion is also great for people with dry skin because this has vitamin E, like I mentioned earlier, and it nourishes your skin the best. Last product that you would need in your skincare routine is a sunscreen lotion. Now, I cannot stress enough on the importance of a sunscreen lotion in your everyday skincare routine. A sunscreen is literally the most important product in any skincare routine. If you already have skin concerns, then exposure to the sun can make it even worse. So make sure you protect your skin with an SPF every single day. Moving to sunscreen recommendations, the first recommendation I have for you guys is the L'Oreal Paris UV Perfect Aqua Essence. Now this is great for people with dry to combination skin. This also deeply nourishes your skin and has an SPF of 50, which is great. The second one is the Neutrogena Dry Touch Sunblock. This is a great sunscreen lotion, also very affordable, and the best part is that both the sunscreen lotions that I spoke about in today's video do not leave a white cast. Now there are a lot of sunscreens which when you apply, make your skin look very ashy. Mind you, both these sunscreens do not do that to your skin. So these are the only 4 products that you would need in your skincare routine. Yes, you heard me right, only 4 products. Now let me reiterate the application process. So for your morning skincare routine, you will first wash your face, then apply a serum. Now serum is optional. If you're a beginner, you wouldn't really need it. Then apply your moisturizer and then seal it off with a sunscreen lotion. Now, for your night skincare routine, first wash your face, then apply serum if you want to, and then apply a moisturizer. It is really simple. You do not have to fret or get nervous. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I would be more than happy to answer all your questions. And also make sure to patch test all your products before you apply it on your face. Patch test is nothing but just taking some of the product and applying it behind your ears or on your wrist and just seeing how it reacts to your skin. If you tend to have any irritation or any rashes, then do not use that product on your face. And another very important thing is that you don't need to use all these new products at once and scare your skin. Make sure you patch test. And if there's one product that I would recommend you to start off with, is definitely a sunscreen lotion because it can do the most for your skin. That marks the end of today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. If you want any specific men's skincare related videos, do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do it. I would be more than happy to talk about skincare for men. On that note, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram because I create a lot of fun content there as well. I will see you super soon in my next one. Until then, bye.